First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image. Click open. Take the quick selection tool and select the t-shirt like this. Now press Ctrl J twice to create two duplicate layers of the selected shirt. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this texture image. Click place. Now hold the Alt button and resize the image size like this. Hit enter. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Expose the top layer. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Decrease the opacity to 65%. Right click on this layer and choose rasterize layer. Now open filter and choose liquify filter. Here use these tools to create this effect like this. Click OK. Let's see the final result.